Secure the ledge! I don't see a body! There's no blood! He couldn't survive a 100-foot drop. Check the tree line at the base. Commander, do you hear that? Ah, get it off me! We're taking fire! Get down! Suppressing fire! Hey, stop! Light up the tree line! Wait, who's in the cab? Stop the truck! Shoot the tires! He hijacked the armor!
Eyes on the pasture. Negative contact.
You can't keep running. They have every highway in the state locked down.
I'm not running anymore. I'm going on the offensive. Elias Vance, Director of Operations for the Syndicate.
A suit? I thought we were hunting a cartel boss.
The cartels don't own the state police. Board members do. They're looking for a man hiding in the woods. They aren't looking for a ghost in the penthouse.
I just need 5 minutes in his office.
I told you to hold my calls, Sarah.
Sarah isn't here.
Well, the ghost dragged the swamp into my penthouse. Is it? Because last I checked, every cop in the state has a bullet with your name on it.
They're hunting the man who killed the governor. Page 4 has your digital signature authorizing the hit.
You think a piece of paper matters? I'm a board member, Mark.
If you release that data, the media will call it a forgery, fabricated by a desperate, guilty man.
You can't beat the machine, old man. You don't have the capital.
You're trespassing in my world now. It was a nice try, Marcus. Truly. But this conversation is over.
I know.
security is already on the way! The lobby is locked down!
We aren't going to the lobby.
You're a dead man! There's an extraction chopper on the roof! My men are up there!
You're insane.
That wasn't me. Target acquired.
Drop the weapon! Shoot him!
Predator.